Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe video update. Yesterday we talked about the negative aspect of what Pepe was all about. Okay, we asked Google's AI if Pepe is any good investment, and Google AI was a little bit on the negative side because it thinks that it's a pump and dump scheme, something like that. But today we're going to talk about what is actually good regarding Pepe and what exactly does Pepe reward us, and if there's any positive thing about Pepe. So we're going to talk about that. But before that, let's actually speak about the technicals, and then we're going to get into the fundamentals, which I personally find to be a little bit of a good thing for Pepe. Now here we go. You got a descending triangle right now. You're moving down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now don't get still excited anytime soon, even though there's a little bit of a pump going on, but we still have loss of support. Okay, that was your support. Move down, break support, resistance, down, resistance, and you're still trying to break this resistance. If you do actually break the resistance, amazing. Okay, fine, you go to the upside. Now you're not doing that at all, and you still have a technical target to actually push to the downside. And that's all. Okay, I'm not going to stress too much. I'm not going to go into the details of the coin itself. It's a little bit dangerous. Okay, the anatomy of an altcoin pump looks something like this: goes down, goes sideways, pumps a little bit, and then goes down like that, and then finally maybe in the future try to go back up again. Okay, so I do think personally that we are going to see Pepe staying down a little bit before it actually moves to the upside in the future. You see, the glorious times has already been done. That's my personal comment about that one. But anyways, let's go back to the Pepe information. Now this is an article from CoinGape. Okay, so I'm just going to give the credit where the credit is actually due. And the title that does actually say that this project burns millions of Pepe and Luna Classic, billions of Baby Doge as well. So let's read about it. Pepe coin contract has a burn functionality. Okay, now if you have a burn functionality, that's amazing, which will reduce the circulating supply and boost the Pepe price, which is actually a good thing. The circulation supply goes down and the prices move higher. Pretty simple. A project which has been burning millions of Terra Luna Classic. Now this is the same project that is burning the Luna Classic coins, which is also implemented into Pepe, and in the last few months revealed last week that it will burn Pepe and Baby Doge coin. It has burned millions of Pepe and billions of Baby Doge this week. So yes, Pepe has been burning, and the good thing is that Pepe has a burn functionality. That's actually quite good on the fundamental side, because we need things to go down. Supply go down, demands go up. Very simple financial, dialogue right there. So Cremation coin burns Pepe, Luna Classic, and Baby Doge. Cremation coin in a tweet on May 16 announces that it has burned 3.8 million Terra Classic, Luna Classic tokens this week. As part of its weekly Luna Classic burn, also it burned Pepe and Baby Doge for the first time this week. The project burned 29.6 million Pepe and 126.6 billion Baby Doge. Until now, the Pepe community has burned almost 16 billion Pepe meme coins by sending them to the burn address. So tell me that there is hope, that not all hope is lost just yet. And this is nothing more than, a market circle where you might be going up for that little bit of an anger and depression type of phase, because this is where things start to begin and they go up. People feel euphoric right over here, and then things go down for a long time and people get angry at this stage, and then they finally try to go and push to the upside. And that's it for this update on Pepe. Just a very small one. I had something good to talk about it, and that's it. I'm going to see you with the next one. I love this.